Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how you could actually make 3,000 naira or more daily performing task. Yes, performing little task. Yeah. The website we'll be making use of, it's called Writer's Gig. Yes, it's called Writer's Gig. Okay. This is it. Basically, on this platform, it's a platform that hires freelance writers to get paid to write. Basically, that's what the site is all about. But if you are not a writer, there is no problem. I have a solution for you. Even if you're not a writer, there are ways you could actually carry out this task, even if you are not a writer. Look at this person, Oni. She says she creates content with a touch of magic, starting with at 3,000. She charges 3,000 naira, and she charges 3,000 naira and above, and she has done 56 jobs. Look at this guy's Arnoldi. He said he writes compelling article all the time. He starts charging from 3,000 naira. That's the least he charges. Or Abraham 82 said, I will write good SEO content for you. His charges start from 2,000 naira and above, and he has done 30 jobs. While Chido says, I write beautiful content for blogs, persuasive content. His charges are from 3,000 naira. And look at Erica Ofure says, I'll create compelling content for you that will rank. Her charges start from 2,000 naira and above, and she has done 21 jobs so far. And what's his name? Ifeanyi 107 said, I will write an audience focused and engaging content for starting with charges 3,000 naira on all his tasks. So, and also Chibueze one said, I'll write articles in line with SEO. So how can we get started on this website? So you see, how can we get started on this website? We click on where we have these three small lines here. Then you click on become. You can browse category. They have different categories. You understand that you could actually choose. You can choose blog writing, UX writing, copywriting, technical writing, artistic writing, script writing, and ghost writing. So you could choose any of these. Then to sign up, you just click become a writer, or you click sign up, whichever you want to. Then you click get started. Then you click become a writer. Then you fill in your details, your email, your username, first name, last name. You choose your country, your password. You confirm your password, then you enter your referral code. Yeah, as you're watching this video, I have already registered an account already. You could use my referral code. It's in the link in the description of this video. You could use my referral link. I already have an account, so let me log in into my own account. Okay, I'm already on my account now. So these are recommended jobs for me. This person said, I need 2 statements of purpose for university admission, especially for 2 programs which I could open it, which I am to see the job properly. So to get the buyer to see your proposal, taking an assessment. So if I want to bid for this job, I click on take proposal, and then I will send my proposal. He will look through. If it's something he's interested in, if he likes my proposal, then he will give me the job. The job estimated budget is 4,000 naira. Cost per unit is 2,000. Duration is 24 days. The unit is 2 days. Number of words that he wants is 2,000 words. Then these are more jobs. This one said write about the biography of Pele in 2,500 words, containing his. If I want to go through it, like if I want to take the job, I open it and bid for it. This one is on blog writing because I chose blog writing, so most of the jobs I'll be getting will be on blog writing. And this one said I need 2 statements of popular. Okay, that one we read it before. Someone said translating from hello, I need someone who can translate from English to Portuguese language. He's charging estimated budget. It's a copywriting is 1 point. You see the amount here. So and so on and so forth. So these are jobs that you could actually take up on your free time. And like I said earlier, if you are not a writer, that is not a problem. There is a solution. There is an AI called Chat GPT. On your browser, you simply search for chatgpt.ai. Yes, once it opens up, you log in with you create an account. I already have an account. So if you don't have an account yet with ChatGPT, you create on sign up and then follow the steps. So I'm already logged in on my ChatGPT now. Let's say I've bidded for a job. I can then get the topic of the job I want to do. For instance, now I have a job. I bidded for a job on how to make money online. All I just need to do is to come here and input it on ChatGPT, and it's going to do the work for me. As you can see, it's writing everything. How I typed in how to make money online. It's giving me all the information I need. So after I get the information like this, I can now copy and do some little editing here and there. That's if I want to read through and I feel it's okay. I can now copy and then submit it, and I get paid. Voila. And the good thing about this website is that the good thing about the Writers Gig website is that you are paid directly into your bank account. You pay directly into your bank account. That is it, guys. That's all for this video. See you in my next video, and bye for now.